Should I do the intro?
Sure.
So, people. Okay, this one. Me realizing Gaming Wolf may not upload anymore. Luckily, they know you are going to upload because of the great Arambe News channel. Escorted by the great owner of. Yeah, on my channel, I made a session Arambe News. At the starting of the video, middle of the video, when I used to say information about like how you are doing, when you would be recording or stuff, I used to say that the Harambe
So wipe
News.
those tears away.
Wipe those tears away. You made me. You took me like 1 hour to convince you to record this video today. That also. Move on to the next one.
Ritik, put the tissue.
I don't understand this. I never said that I will give you. I'll buy the tissue or give you the tissue.
No,
or something.
lose
I
the
don't know which
tissue
video.
I lose the tissue in school and you bring it.
Oh.
After
Okay.
2 months, finally, this guy realizes what it means.
Pokemon, he stopped on me. I'm like,
I mean,
I'm
it
not
was
going to
2
record
months
anything.
ago. We are pretty late.
You are pretty late. I have been consistent. You are the one who's late.
Okay, whatever. It was on Friday, October 1st. So for a time it was here, and I will not tolerate spelling mistakes.
He'll become negative.
I will not
Hey,
tolerate.
yo.
Okay, I approve. You have a gaming week stamp of approval.
Anyways, the GWIT stamp.
Wasroda. Oh.
Hey, yo, you can't blame me. You don't know the amount of internet connection I had at that time.
Gaming was
When I had good connection,
Ritik with the bow and arrow.
he comes jumping. See, that guy comes jumping. I don't even see him jumping. Until I see him, I'm dead. That's what used to happen. When my connection got better, this guy's connection got worse.
I mean, that was like one of the high points of my video.
One last meme. Go down. You know.
You are known for Ritik, my YouTube channel, Francis Dumb. I guess that was mainly for not speaking in your speak time.
Can't do it anymore. I'm speaking. I'm talking. I'm making videos. I'm getting views. I'm getting subscribers. I am in never given.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Let's move on.
OnlyFans. Moboy saying OnlyFans. Moboy, Ritik and Gaming Off.
You know, he's been on OnlyFans a lot, getting some. He's got big bucks. He's wearing gold chain and roaming around nowadays. Even Aaron
I
doesn't.
took his picture of his feet on Zoom.
Yeah, at both of at the same time.
I wish I didn't
like,
delete
put your
them.
OnlyFans. I have them.
And Dean Norris meme.
This is by me. This is by the great person of this channel.
When
I am
use
the one
his
who made.
profile, Aaron when I use the other words. I mean, the only reason I know this guy is because of Breaking Bad. He was a good actor.
Who? I don't even know who he is.
Dean Norris.
I don't know that.
Yeah.
Who cares? The thing is, I literally changed your face from your main doge to the other doge. Show the both of the doges right now.
No.
Please. No? They get the story.
When it's not in the video.
At least there is one boxing streak in Roblox. I have 3-0 against this idiot.
Bro, you
Lasted
played that a
9
lot,
rounds.
whereas I barely played.
I didn't play that a lot. I just played it like one day before you. And the thing is, I just did.
You had
so,
upper hand because you had more levels.
Yeah. The thing is, I have Roblox. I know how Roblox works. Anyways, continue.
It's not how it works. You played it more. Okay, yes.
Not the game, but Roblox, yes.
Cruel and unjust place. There is no harmony in the universe. The only constant is.
But I don't get these.
Gaming options.
Explain. Man, woman, white, black, poor, rich, Asian, Hera.
Harambe. I mean, you do
Ayo.
you just
Ayo.
Harambe.
Yo, upvote that.
Baba Bowie.
Upvote it.
No,
Up.
spelling mistake. I will remove it.
If you, I'll upload it again in US.
Okay,
Secrets. Ayo. Nah. Who cares? Ritik fans when Ritik doesn't say why he doesn't. I am speaking. I am literally speaking from
This
so
was
long.
2 months ago. Chill.
Okay, sorry, but still, it's irritating. Okay,
Oh, it was 2 months
I
ago.
don't want to break any. I don't want to break it, but still, I was speaking 2 months ago. So go see my video. I was speaking 2 months ago. This is not unfair. This is unfair. This is injustice to me. I've been speaking for so long. My voice in the world. Calm down. I already broke up and I don't know what else I'll break. Control.
Yeah, he apparently he broke his bed and lost 20,000 rupees. Now.
It's a bed. I have to change the whole bed. So obviously,
You changed the
I
bed?
lost money. I have to change it because it's like we wanted a new bed
Yeah,
actually,
just
but the
sleep
thing
on the
was I
floor
just
is better for your back. No need of bed.
I sleep on the floor only, man.
But
I showed you my mattress.
parent buys a bed, child sleeps on the
The
floor.
thing was, what is more is the thing they told me. They're like, you broke the bed. We are not sleeping on it. I'm like, I'm sleeping on the ground. How can you tell this to me? I'm sleeping on the ground.
Milk, gaming of the milk's getting on.
Who in the damn was that's a conversation like that?
Really scared us very.
You know what? I should actually curse on your channel. Who cares?
I
You
really
don't care.
don't.
Hayden mopping the floor. Ritik. Hayden. Slap him. Oh boy. And that's how you get a name.
How?
Hey, anybody who wants a nickname, contact me. I'll give you one nickname. Just tell me one embarrassing thing they did. I'll do it their
For the
lives.
simple price of $3.99. Contact this number on the screen. Naming your child after a fictional character. Hey there, Khaleesi. How was school? I hate you with every ounce of me. Well,
Who is Khaleesi? Who is Khaleesi?
Game of Thrones.
Oh, okay.
Name
your
after
child,
a member of the gaming group too.
I'm not gaming with group. We are the group. We don't have a name, so we are the group. The group.
That's so.
Because some of them say,
No,
no, because some of them say
because
you're
I made it. I'm the founding father of gaming.
you founding. I am the one who told you to make the video of Stumble Guys. That's how we started. We are not founding. Like, you
But
know,
I
we
am
are
the
the
one who
base of
brought
it.
Hayden and everyone else.
Yeah. Only Hayden spoke, man. So
Yeah,
no
we-
literally just keep
Current
sitting
name
there
is
and
Gaming of
you
Thrones.
have
We'll
trying
find
to.
a new name in the future. Don't worry. I promise.
Yeah.
Being called Ritik Anshan, being called Ritik Roshan.
You know, I don't care because I've heard it so many times in my life. I literally don't care. That is a thing.
To check if he cares or not, I gave him a role in Discord called Ritik Roshan. He didn't care much, but when he saw it, he
Wait,
didn't
yeah?
understand.
Wait.
Yeah.
You gave?
Yeah.
How do I check the role?
Just
Who
check.
cares? You know, I went to take a photo. Okay, wait. Before we continue, for a school photo, I had to take a photo. He asked me my name. I'm like Ritik. He's like Roshan. You know, if my mask was not there, my face was like I'm smiling. It goes like I think it went down because I've heard it so and like say something else. I'm Ritik.
So this
There's no
is
other Ritik in
technically
this
true.
universe or
This
what?
is true. 100%
Which
confirmed.
not 100%. Okay, move anyways.
Stamp of approval.
It's funny. Mizan and wait, who's the other guy? Aiden. Hey,
You
you're
forgot
giving him
Hayden.
too big of biceps. Hey, Haron, I'll send you a pic of his bicep. Put his bicep. Literally nothing is there. We'll just flick him. He'll fly like a bug. There's a long
Discord
bug.
or WhatsApp?
No, I'll send you later on. Then you on WhatsApp. I'll send you.
Okay, sure.
That's how his forearm looks, guys. As you can see. Put it right now, okay? Haron, we're speaking. He's skinny. Looks like it's a stick of wood and put cotton around and you put fake skin. That's how his hand looks.
Okay, I really know.
Okay? This one. This is what I'm talking about. December 1st. Aaron, yeah. From long time everyone is asking. I said yes. What about you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Eh? I know we are not going to fight, but still. I want to
What
change
can
the
we
name
fight
from
in?
mine and put Hayden. No, you and Hayden. I changed the undercard now. Literally, I've changed the undercard.
I
I've
mean, I
made you and
removed
Hayden.
it. I have removed it. No more. Okay.
Ah! Nah. You cannot do this to your fans. Sorry, I only posted it. No, who cares? Wait, I am also your fan. You can't do this to me. Not allowed. Hey. Thank you. Me vibing, I
Bro, if
sleep
you are a
gaming who
fan,
uploads a video.
this will be me abusing my fans.
Hey, yo, no, we are two. I'm for friend, then a fan. Like, I'm a friend. A guy who will explain it to you, who will get angry at you. Then I'm your fan. Fan is at the bottom of the table. Fan. Until then. Yo, whoever, what's this guy's name? Can you read his name out? I can't see. Jerry, right? He comments when you. Apparently,
Bro,
Jerry is
why
a
is my-
6'10
why is
guy.
it shaking?
Because he's Shaq.
Why is it shaking when I'm here?
What is shaking?
It's shaking for
What is shaking? What is shaking?
Bro, this is shaking a little.
It's not shaking. Just continue, fam.
Am I dying?
Yo, Harambe 2007 to 2021.
Gaming of upload for bit, real shit. He has a Reddit. Custom.
That Reddit, ask this idiot how long it took to me to convince him to make his own Reddit.
Okay, Reddit. Nice for gaming of Reddit.
We have, I think we have reacted to this in the last video.
Who knows? There's a hope so.
Maybe not. You know, one change we have to do is I had no reaction in the whole video. I was literally just laughing at jokes. Otherwise, I was creating. I'm a quiet guy when it's horror games. I literally have no emotions, I guess, when playing horror games.
I was just suffering.
Who is suffering?
Me.
You.
And
I was laughing at you suffering.
Yeah, because it's so, like one chapter is so long, and if you mess up, you need to start from the starting.
Yeah. Hayden being the preacher.
Well,
The guy
actually,
with all
this
the
kid
nerd
kind of
stuff.
looks like Hayden.
Yeah. Hey, you are exposing him. Don't show the kid's face.
Yeah,
Just the only difference is double his height.
yeah, Bruce.
So Hayden claims to be 6'3".
He's
he's-
6'1" or
he's
6. He's not 6'3". That man is lying.
No, he's 6'3", but in the scale of growing a beard, only 6.3. That's it. No more than that.
Man, no, he's not 6'3". He's definitely not.
I said in the scale of growing a beard, macha.
I would say 6'4".
What is
He barely has a beard.
like from 1 to 10? If you have to, yeah, that only you can see his Chinese mustache. You can't see anything
No,
else than
that
that.
was a 6. That's a solid 2.
Yeah, but just for it's just a bit relevant. Okay, to turn it around and say, who cares? Move on. Relevant is not the word I
And
wanted
that-
to use, but
that
I had
was
no
the
other
last
word to
one.
use. Yes. So people, woofers,
Oi, be
if you
quiet, be
enjoyed
quiet.
the video,
Haram, be
don't
quiet.
forget to like.
Arre, chop.
Hey,
Chop.
hey,
I said be quiet.
shut up, monkey.
I'll mute you.
Monkey.
Okay, so the best meme from this is drum roll, please. You don't need to make. I'll put it in it while editing it in. And the best
sorry.
meme is actually, which is the best meme? Best meme
So-
is more You have the stamp of my approval. And if I had a free award to give, I would have given
You wait, I have a
Okay,
free
give
award.
it.
I'll go give him. Wait.
Okay, give it to him.
Just wait, I'm going to my Reddit.
You already have
I
two of
haven't
them.
removed my award. I haven't removed. I only gave one to it before also. I am only the one who gave it once before. I'll just give him one more for free. You want me to record that?
No need.
Me giving him a.
Just give it.
Okay.
Which one? Which
Okay, I
award
got
is
the wholesome award. Wholesome award.
Okay, give it to me.
Let's go to the gaming booth. Reddit. Mobile. Where's mobile? You better just slap, man. Here it goes. Here comes my award. Wait, did I give him one? I gave him one award already. Yo, that guy getting 2 awards from me. Done. I gave him